Okay, I'm making this a series, so you're gonna see me do this a lot. Leave and rejoin.
Yo. Bye. I'm looking on a different game.
Okay, so are we going mining? Wait, first let me tell my viewers.
We already went to the new map.
Yeah, that. Can we go to the boss fight? The super
boss
secret boss fight?
What? Wait, where?
You don't know about the boss fight?
No.
You have to like glitch out of the map to do it though. Wait, no.
Wait,
We have
really?
to find like the sewers entrance area. So first, let me get a backpack.
Okay.
Get a baseball bat.
I'm just gonna take a rocket launcher.
Yeah. Okay, you're our front line then.
What are you buying?
Ammo. For gun. Okay, let's go. I think this is the way to sewers. My brain is dead, so is this the way?
This isn't where sewers is. This isn't where sewers is.
I know
Sewers
I went
over
up.
here.
I know I went up for something. Wait, no, I think No.
Wait, what does it look like?
It's where there's a bunch of computers. And there's like this massive eye and a bunch of those weird ball things that have tentacles sticking out of them, like this.
Oh, that thing? That's not a boss fight. That's the new map.
Yeah, can you show me where it is? Please?
Over here.
Over here? Wait, let me come. Wait.
Say goodbye to the new map. The old map.
Wait. Let me go get some rockets really quick.
I'm getting on a different game, so.
Hey, what game are you getting on?
Veil.
What's Veil?
Like a shooting game.
Oh, well, I know a better game called Downshot.
Oh, I play that game too.
But, can you get me there first to the boss fight? Well, not the boss fight, the new map.
Oh, so what you want to do, like there's a maze, you go left, straight, right, the first thing you see, and then you can just find your way.
I think bro just left. Yeah, bro left. And this is why you just don't trust people. Well, just remember, this is the code. This will always be my special code, but not too many players. I usually come on this code. So, 5 players maybe? Why am I saying it like there's a big crowd? Barely anybody watches me. I'm just gonna say it. Wait. Oh, dang it. I thought I could glitch over the map. If you jam your character's fingers into someplace, like going super fast, it'll stick. Hello?
Hello?
Don't tell me. Is there a new player? You're back. You're back. Okay, can you show me where that place is, please?
Huh?
Can you show me? Can you show me the place? Can you show me the place, please? Put the RPG in your backpack. Just kidding. I take your RPG.
To be honest, we need like 3 RPGs.
What? Sure. Just put it in your backpack. You know you have a backpack on, right? Okay, so we have an extra one, just in case.
Alright, let's go. Shit, I'm so heavy. Hold on, I'm heavy.
No kidding. Ammo and an RPG? And I think I just rolled my wrist.
You are so laggy.
No kidding. Yo, you here?
Yeah.
I think I rolled my no, I'm falling.
Yeah, that's what you wanted to do.
Oh, let me come. Help. My character's Nico Kava Avocado. Very fat. Okay.
Nikocado
Left?
avocado fat no more though. Nikocado avocado.
Older sis.
fat no more.
Snorlax.
Come on, I'm not falling.
Wait,
Oh, there.
wait, where did you go?
Fly time.
Hey, Snorlax, can you get me a new battery for my left controller?
Mia to the ball.
I'm here. I'm here, bro. Where are? Okay. No, we do not have to go through here. No, I'm gonna clear
What
the.
do you have? Do you have any like revolvers in your bag?
Oh, I do have a revolver.
Do you have any like revolvers? Okay. You're going force spin. Bro, that's not gonna kill him. Okay. Just don't use that, okay? Don't use that. Follow me. Oh shoot. Shoot him and we're done for. We're done for.
Nope.
No, I think you missed. You missed. Come on, you missed.
Yeah, I need a flashlight.
Watch, come on. That just scares him even more.
Don't we like have to follow him?
No, we don't.
Hey, here have
We
the.
do not want to follow him. He gets mad at us. Oh, where's the map? Come on.
I lagged all the way over here. Here, take this. Take the baseball bat.
Alright, come on.
It's right in front of us.
Yo, come on.
Yo, where are you? I ran. I fled.
Over here. Oh, I killed him.
Okay, what did he drop?
And that's why I told you not to shoot him. Come on. Oh,
Is there two of them?
there's like 3.
Yo, I wouldn't be instigated. Okay, let's.
Come on.
I almost threw my back. Wait, where are you? Left, right, go forward.
Over here. I actually think I went the wrong way. No, I didn't. It's right here. This part's hard when you're heavy, so just follow me, okay? This. Oh shoot.
Come on. This way.
Come over to me.
I can't grab my hook shot. I can't use that. No. And I dropped that one down. Tell him I died. Oh, I need to tell him I died. I died.
Oh.
I fell. I died. I mean, that was everything.
Is that you, Alex? Yeah.
Just get.
Oh, yeah.
baseball bat.
By the way, you know that new person you're talking about?
Yeah.
Don't mention this to her, but she's not Spanish at all. Like, she made no Spanish, not speak Spanish. The whole that you were speaking is fake. Besides, like, that C and stuff. Oh yeah, and Alex, look, I want to show you something.
I need a hook shot.
You got hit slot finally.
That one's far. Okay, yo, I'm gonna go chill in the hot tub.
Yo, can you get me 2 rockets?
I'm gonna go chill in the hot tub.
Alright, I'm coming too.
You guys know you need to use.
Yo, I am lagging. Every time this place appears, this is where I will end the video and swap to another game. So I'm done.
Oh,
I will
wait,
see you next time, viewers.
Are you still recording? Are you still recording?
Bye. I'm gonna go play Downshot.